It's now been 1 year since our lives started changing because of COVID-19. The first case of COVID-19 was confirmed in Oregon 366 days ago.
Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch joins us now. And Marilyn, you spoke with that doctor who diagnosed that first case.
I did. You know, it's interesting because she is an infectious disease doctor, but still she told us she was surprised when the state health authorities actually confirmed that COVID-19 diagnosis. At first, 46-year-old Hector Calderon was just another very sick patient at Kaiser Permanente's West Side Medical Center in Hillsborough. Then his illness became a headline.
Hector's case was unique in that, here we had this young, healthy man who had become so ill without a clear explanation. And that's really when I became involved in his care.
Kaiser's infectious disease doctor, Katie Scharf, went to see Hector for personal reasons. She was delivering a get well card from her son's first grade class at Forest Hills Elementary. Hector is the school's custodian.
It was really seeing him that day and speaking with his wife and just seeing this otherwise young, healthy man so critically ill without a clear explanation that was different, and that really got me thinking.
Still, she wasn't sure this was COVID. Hector had not traveled or come into contact with anyone who had. In February 2020, no one was really thinking community spread.
Although I did, push the health department to test and make the diagnosis, when the results came back, I was truly shocked.
It was Hector's diagnosis that changed life as we knew it here in Oregon.
There are a lot of diseases out there that may impact certain communities, certain individuals, but I think everyone can say that they have felt the impact of COVID-19.
It has been a fast, steep learning curve, and Kaiser is part of trials to improve treatments. It also helped set up the mass vaccination site at the Oregon Convention Center.
One thing that we know in a way to get us out of this pandemic is that we need to vaccinate as many individuals as possible to really decrease the amount of virus that's circulating in the community.
As we start year 2 of the pandemic, the vaccine rollout is frustrating. Still, far too many Oregonians are contracting the coronavirus, and some still dying from it. Still, most like Hector have recovered.
Thank you so much for all your hard work and dedicated all your time to me. God bless you.
And Hector was leaving the hospital that day after 2 months in the hospital. It was a very severe case of COVID-19. He then went to rehab, but we're happy to say he recovered and he's back at work. Reporting live, Marilyn Deutsch. Good day, Oregon.